Well, a very good afternoon. It's already afternoon. I'm very happy to see all of you here. This, of course, is a celebration, and for 2 days we want to treat you to some real creative gems that have come out of the Citadel of Films Division in the last few years. The idea for this festival actually came as a kind of after effect of winning a large number of national awards this year. And when almost everyone started talking, how do we get to see these films? And of course, in the last 3 years that I have been here, we have debated on this a large number of times, that national award-winning films somehow don't get to be seen because there's no easy access to it. So we thought that at least the Films Division films which have won the National Award this year or the last year or the year before that, and some other films which have not won the awards but are brilliant films, we should put them together, weave them into a kind of a necklace and celebrate that. And that is how this weekend full of these brilliant films has come to you. And all these films, not one of them is a missable film, because each of these films has arisen from the passion of the filmmaker. Those of my friends who have come to Films Division after a long time would be surprised by the amount of physical change that has happened in the campus. And it happens almost every 3 months. If you come here after 3 months, you suddenly find the space has undergone a transformation. So for the last 3-4 years, a lot of change has been going on the exteriors. At least in the last 3 years, a huge amount of change has been going on in the interiors of the organization. And it's a kind of a cauldron of activity, inside as well as outside. And frenzied activity almost, feverish. I'm sure many of my colleagues from Films Division are actually running fever because of running around so much, doing so many things at the same time. A result of that is that the whole energy of the place has undergone a change. And a lot of things are going on. Not all of them are complete yet. For example, this space. Those of you who came to the Epizone earlier editions before the renovation of this space would remember that it was a very delightful space, but not a very convenient space to watch films in. So it took us 1 year to bring it to this shape. It's still a work in progress, it's not yet finished. But I'm sure you'll realize, in terms of a viewing experience, it's a much richer viewing experience. It's a much more comfortable zone to be sitting and enjoying the films. So, one of the key changes that has taken place is how we interact with filmmakers from outside and how we collaborate in making of these films. So I definitely, a lot of filmmakers are here who have made these films. Not all of them have been able to come, but many of them are here. They will be interacting with you. I'll request the filmmakers to also share their experience of working with Films Division. So that, there are some old hackneyed images that still stick to the name of Films Division because it's a large and it's an old organization. We fight with our legacy. We enjoy the legacy also. We enjoy its riches also. But we are saddled with some burdens that we carry from the past. So kindly do share when you come out here to speak about your experience in making the film. Please do share your experience of working with Films Division as well. And how do you find it, and if there are any pointers on how to improve that, we'll all be very happy to take note of that too. I won't be wasting more of your time here. My whole idea was that these films that you're going to see are not the only films we have made in the last few years which deserve to be seen, but these are the choicest of them. So do enjoy these films. I would also like to make an announcement. You already know that Epizone happens from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. every Saturday here, where a curated show of documentary films is organized. We would like to start from the end of this month. We would like to start a show in the evening after Epizone, 6:30 onwards. of a feature-length documentary. There would be no curation, there would be no Q&A, it would be a simple screening of that. But we will work out a schedule in advance, we will circulate it, we'll kind of advertise it on the social media. So that regularly, a film, a feature-length film is screened in this theatre. Now that we have put in so much of energy and effort into creating this space, we want it to be used more and more. I would also like to inform you that maybe by the end of this year, we'll have 2 more theatres functioning regularly in the new building of the museum that is coming up. And after the museum hours in the evenings, we will be holding independent film shows there as well. So gradually, our hope and our target is to convert Films Division into a really strong, active hub around cinema. Promotion of good cinema, independent cinema, discussions about it. We will be landscaping the whole area, so you can find many nice nooks and corners to sit with your friends and discuss everything. Herzogs and Godard and Satyajit Ray and Ritwik Ghatak and all the new brilliant filmmakers who are sitting here. I'm sure there will be points of discussion in that time. So please do enjoy this show, and please do enjoy Films Division as an upcoming campus, as a full of energy organization, which we are trying to convert into a very welcoming organization for anybody who has any interest in cinema. Thank you very much.